Taking this opportunity to look at what's happening in the nation of Zimbabwe, the conclusion we can make is Mnangagwa Uchi chibaba che-infrastructure development. I'm being honest right here. Chibaba. Kanzwa chichinyatsokudzwa chimudhara, for sure chimudhara. I know that a lot of you are already angry and you have started accusing me of joining ZANU-PF, but that is not the case. We have proof right here kuti Mudhara Mnangagwa chibaba che-infrastructure. Jealous down, guys. Chakanaka chakadi, chakanaka. So vana ZANU-PF ndozviri kuitwa naMudhara wenyewe.
Vamuchena ndimi muvi vakuru venzvimbo ineyi, zviko zviri kuitwa panapa izvi zvandiri kuona izvi?
Zviri kuitwa panapa zvinhu zvaratidza kuti ward 41 yava nomwe muono nevhizheni yapurezidendi wedu kuti nyika inovakwa nevene vayo. Zvechokwadi tavaka bhiriji redu iyi totoitika second Trabablas yavakwawo mu41 muno.
Vavaka Trabablas kedu?
Katrabablas kedu kainaisaka nashumba rubatsiro futi kwatakaitwa nahonorable wedu nesipa chedu nemaoko edu. Tinozvitenda chaizvo, tinozwa kufara kuti tava nechinhu chokutaura kuti muward 41 takaita namaoko edu inova Trabablas.
2030 nababa vaMnangagwa fe
isonge vaMnangagwa vakativhurira munhu watatakati atakadzima asi takavhurika,
vakanyika inovakwa nevene vayo
vachitanga taingofunga kuti kuda kuringotamba asi tazva kuti mashoko makuru.
Aiwa,
munhu wese akuziva kuti unozvivakira unozviitira namaoko ako.
Aiwa, ndizvozvo.
So this is the legacy of Emmerson Mnangagwa. Ukanzwa vachitaura kuti Mnangagwa Uchi, this is what they mean. So this man speaks and claims that there is an involvement of a whole MP in that nonsense, that rubbish you have seen. And then on the second, the Trabablas. So you could say that poverty mentality in Zimbabwe is eroded common sense. People no longer have common sense. So they will come, instead of buying uchi for your own children, you take some uchi, you pour yourself in the name of getting cars from Chibayos and whatsoever. It's said. This is where we are going as a nation. So, as Zimbabweans, should we continue in this direction? ZANU-PF people, are you not even ashamed to see some of you coming publicly on camera to show us that nonsense? So the MPs don't have anything better to do. That is how best they can help communities build. So when we are talking about progress, we are talking about change. We are talking about chibaba che infrastructure. We are talking about chibaba che kugadzira economy. We are talking about chibaba chekuita make sure kuti muhomwe memunhu mune dora. That is Nelson Chamisa for you. You listen to the vision of President Advocate Nelson Chamisa, you will see that people will not celebrate mediocrity. People will not celebrate nonsense. People will not celebrate idiocy. People will celebrate the real things. That is the kind of Advocate Nelson Chamisa. So plan ya Chamisa I say could displace vanhu vakagara. I say could be vanhu, I say could torera vanhu. But in equity, each and every citizen must build together. The citizens at the center. And what does citizens at the center mean? It means everybody included and involved in the building of the nation. How do you involve everyone? You share resources equally. You take all the money of the nation, you share equally. Not kuti munotora mari yese yenyika in millions and billions, and you start to buy properties abroad, you start to dish cars amongst yourselves. You don't do that. That is not how we expect to see change happening or things happening in a nation. So it's humiliating, embarrassing, and this is the highest form of idiocy which I have ever seen. Kutouya kutotaura chaizvo chaizvo murume mukuru kutosiya mukadzi kumba. It's very embarrassing and it's a shame. But we have to expect it. We have to know kuti vanotozviita vana ava because by nature that is who they are. So your views and your thoughts, but Trababras, you in hangu kutaura chokwadi iyo handipfuure nepairi hatiite. So let us build this nation on trust. Let us build this nation on honesty. Let us build this nation, through hard work, not through kupiwa mota nananingi or whatsoever. Let us work more. Kune mari kumamisha, kune mari kwese, but you won't see the potential because ZANU-PF is squandering everything. And these masquerades, they are not actually the leadership. So it is what it is. Let us talk.